Welcome to What is New video. So the month of April 2026 was very productive indeed, thanks to a Easter holiday and a new friend called Claude, as you see down here, right? This is the follow-up video. Installation is one thing, but what changed is another thing. So the kiro-iso, we're talking about number 2 out of 8 videos. And the topic is one archlinux 3 tool to be made, to be released. Lots of things have changed. The one you're looking at now is already new, but there is so much more changed beneath the GUI, right? There's a lot of code that's going to be changed. So all of this, Kiro, Calamares, config, edu system files, archlinux nemesis, archlinux linux logout, edu.files, oh my chadwm, a new desktop which you're looking at here, right, is already put into a video. This is about the kiro-iso. Again, more or less what I've done in the past is basically tell that we take a look at the kiro-iso. Basically, I tell Claude or ChatGPT, tell them, look at this thing, how can we improve this thing, it's more efficient, how can we make it faster to reboot, and then all kind of these simple common sense questions, and he went for it. Also looked, I think I also told him to look at other distributions, Arch Linux based distributions, gave him the URLs. He can actually go to a URL or you git clone it locally and say that's the folder where it is in. Have a look at those, how do they approach things, how do they make an ISO, get the best of two worlds, migrate things, merge things, summarize me things, what are the advantages doing that way, what are the disadvantages. I mean, a lot of communication, a lot of knowledge comes with doing project like this with an AI. So in this information, in this GitHub, you'll find a changelog. I'll update it. I have a rule that says if you are finished with the project, then you're gonna update things, you're gonna make a changelog what has changed. But in these days, in these things, it's just a version bump and a mirror list refresh, but there were lots of things that we've changed before. So it's all explained in here. We've added the captain cursors here. Systemd resolved has been changed. These guys are added, so basically systemd things, systemctl, you know, that line automatically. Why this matters, I've also explained. Well, I'm still an educational kind of guy, right? So I want to learn and I want to share the knowledge. So the why matters for me. Why are we doing this? And I tend to forget once it's in there, and 6 months later I can read, okay, that's why we did it, right? And new packages have been created, so the edu system files and the edu files have been split into two. CPU ID is something we use in scripts to know what CPU do I have, right? And edu power menu is another way of getting out things, because I was on Linux Mint on Ubuntu, and I wanted to have that particular Rofi theme to get out, which is Super Shift X. This thing is easy to have, right? If you don't have the Arch Linux Super X, Arch Linux logout is this. If that fails, we have the second one. Super Shift X is just a Rofi, and a nice one at that. So a lot of things. Also the building process. Have a look at the building process. How can I improve these things? And we did change some things. We added an update while we built everything. The packages, the repos will be built, will be run. So we have the databases already present on the ISO for Pacman. That's one of the things. Let's make always sure that we have the chaotic stuff on board. That does not change. But voila, this was a tense day, he says, of work with multiple distinct things. So that was probably the end of Easter holiday. Systemd out of memory daemon is now fully integrated. These things have been changed, so the comp file is there. Systemd slides a lot of stuff and information about it. Azure C defaults, yeah, okay. What was removed to boot have stopped. We're just focusing on the system deboot. And to grub, let's get rid of those things because they were basically for archlinux at the time to switch around, which is kind of tricky, which worked just fine, but I just don't want to maintain them anymore, and or you running into issues, right? It's systemd, boot, done. And some other things, right? Things we can get rid of because name changes and all that. Narco, remember, right? The Narco mirror list, archlinux mirror list. But they've changed. The U is a super interesting little thing, right? U is just gonna update things, super simple, rather than update. As you see, I'm already on a newer version of archlinux 3 tool. I'll work on it a little bit more, and then you get the final version that has been tested, fully tested and working. The A is also interesting, is the AOR. That's going to be added, and that's it, right? U and UA. Super interesting part of the edu shells. And you can read more and more and more, right? There's other stuff. There's the cloth information you can have a look at. And there is also the overview MD. And let this create, right? It is being created by Claude, being maintained by Claude. And I'm happy with that. We read it diagonally. Is that the word? Oh my God. You know what I mean. So this is Kiro. That's the information you get. Control find. Oh my chadwm. Okay, it's in there. Modern tiny window managed integrated menu system. That's what he calls it. Cool. All good for me. A little summary of things that are on here. Voila. So that's changed. Little things have changed. If you want to go into detail, again, use something like GitHub or Git find and just start clicking, right, and see, okay, that's not important. That's the changelog that came in. That's another server's things that come in. Here are other things. The devrel, just a different date. Nothing changed, nothing changed. So just numbers. Here we're gonna do something to the profile def schmot, and so on and so forth. We can, it's always update, right? It's just a script that says update. Nano RC is there. I want my own nano RC rather than having it in the archlinux nemesis script. I'll have it on the ISO, right? This is what I want. This is my Control T, right? If I do, for instance, and Pacman, it's nice and colorful. It's nano that makes it beautiful. And so many other things, right? Have a look at it. Best thing is just to install it in VirtualBox, I guess. The kiro-iso, more or less like it. Give it a go on real metal, because it's always different on real metal, right? More CPU, more memory, more responsive, and really have a look at Oh My chadwm. This is it, right? This is Oh My chadwm. And feel how fast it is, how efficient it is. But you need to know the key bindings. Super Q is killing it. Super Enter is this. Super Shift Enter is that. Super X is logging out again. And that's the main things, launching things. Super D, Super Shift D. Or if you want to go for menus, click here, choose one of the things in the menu. Right mouse click, choose one of the things in the menu. Super Alt Enter, choose one of the things in the menu. Or Control Super Space. Wait for it. And choose one of the wallpapers. All right. Enjoy Kiro. Cheers.